We've given this classic pasta a healthy twist using homemade pesto. Our chicken pesto pasta is guaranteed to go down a treat. Start by cooking the pasta in a large saucepan of boiling water, stirring occasionally until al dente. Reserve 1/3 cup of the pasta water, then drain the pasta. Place the basil, spinach, walnuts, garlic, lemon juice and 1 tablespoon of water in a food processor. Blitz until finely chopped and well combined. Next, you need to heat the oil in a large frying pan over medium heat. Add half the chicken, stirring until the chicken is browned and cooked through. Transfer to a plate and repeat with the remaining chicken. Time to add the zucchini to the frying pan and cook, stirring until lightly browned. Return the chicken to the pan with the asparagus, tomato, pasta, reserved cooking liquid and the spinach mixture. Cook, stirring frequently until heated through, then stir in the rocket. Divide the pasta among bowls and top with onion and parmesan. Finish with a little vinegar and season with pepper. Packed full of veggies and bursting with flavour, this chicken pesto pasta is sure to be a family favourite.